front doors.
The front panel is attached to the door with 2 screws. The first screw is located under the cover of the inside door handle. Pry the cover out starting from the bottom. The second screw is located under the cover at the armrest. Also remove the cover starting from the lower end. After the covers have been removed, you can remove both screws. The panel is then only attached to the door with clips. Starting from below, remove the paneling from the door quickly and firmly. A tool is recommended here, linked in the description, as the panel is very tight. As soon as the clips are released, pull the panel up out of the window slot trim.
Disconnecting the door handle and the electrics.
The front door has a central plug. Push the lock in and push the lever up. Carefully unclip the Bowden cable of the door handle on both sides. And then push the cable out of the guide. Simply pull the clips remaining in the door outwards and then insert them back into the panel. The clips should be in this position again before assembly. Some clips therefore have to be pushed back again.
Rear doors.
The rear door panel actually works the same way as the front door. Remove the 2 covers, remove the screws and then unclip them. The only difference is that there is no central plug. That's it. I hope I could help so far. Good luck with doing it yourself.